guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to a very overdue video. Before I get into the video, I just want to say this video was meant to come out last week. I got this car a couple of weeks ago. It was a very frustrating 2 weeks trying to get this car, but like I said in my previous video, my girlfriend's pregnant. She was 9 months pregnant, approaching 9 months pregnant actually, and yeah, we had the baby about 3 days ago now. So totally unexpected. His due date was meant to be on Saturday, but yeah, so it's just put a little bit of a delay on getting back to the car stuff and the YouTube and stuff, as you can imagine. Pretty much hard work and sleepless nights for this week, but yeah, let's get into the video. Alright guys, so it's a new day here. I tried to do this video so many different days, but in the UK the weather has completely gone to shit. So yeah, I just got a phone call from my guy Jay from JA Recovery. He's managed to drop my car off. He picked it up. If you look in the video, I added some snaps from when he was collecting it from Copart for me. So he's been able to drop it off. So as soon as I got that call, I jumped into my car, grabbed my camera, and yeah, let's go check out this A3. I got it at a ridiculously cheap price. Ridiculously cheap. And I want you guys to guess how much I got this car for. But let's check it out first. So here we have it guys, quick rundown of what I think the damage is. You can see the main impact was here. I've already got a front bumper on the way. I've already got front slam panel on the way in the post. That's going to come with all my complete radiator kit and everything. So I'm not really too bothered about that. So this car, when it came, it was noted on the auction as the engine wasn't starting. It's turning over, but the engine wasn't starting, and I took a bit of a gamble here. But from my experience on all these Audis, when they get into an accident and the airbags go off, which they have, it trips either a fuse or a fuel cut-off switch. So I've checked the oil, and the oil is pretty fresh. It's at the right level. I've already checked the car, just passed its MOT about 2 months ago, so it's a bit of a gamble, but it's a calculated gamble. My biggest concern is the end of the chassis leg here. You can see it's torn right off at the back there, but I'm pretty sure that my guy over at H&A Autos will be able to sort that out for me. Other than that, the car's in pretty good nick. So as you can see, the passenger side airbag went off, and I'm gonna have to get a new windscreen. I don't know if that's coming up, but yeah. Move on to the interior. The car's very clean on the inside, very clean. Just realised, so it's got the Bose sound system. I'll be eager to hear how that sounds. It's pretty clean. And I got myself some goodies for the work that I'm going to be doing today. Bit of energy. Dashboard airbag and the driver side airbag has gone off as well. So I've got a complete airbag kit coming in the post. That was going to give me a new dashboard, new airbag for the passenger side, new steering wheel airbag. Let me just double check. Guys, I'm seeing this car for the first time with you guys, so I'm just checking over everything. So yeah, seat belts have locked. I expected that, so I'm getting a pair of seat belts that's coming with the new airbag kit anyway. So let's come around to the driver's side, and immediately I've seen something. Now tell me what you guys think. So clearly this is an Audi A3. Normally this would have come with a 3-spoke or 4-spoke steering wheel, and it definitely wouldn't have come with this flat bottom steering wheel, and it says S3. So whoever had this car before has clearly upgraded it. The problem with that is I ordered a standard airbag kit that's going to come with my dashboard. I've checked that fits as well, but the airbag for the driver's side is going to be different. Now I've got two options. I can either try to locate this style of airbag as it's different. This is a circular airbag, and the airbag that normally comes with this car, that's coming with the kit, it's a slightly different shape, so it won't fit the steering wheel. So I've got a decision to make. I can either keep the flat bottom steering wheel and spend, what, 200 quid on a new airbag kit, or a new airbag, driver's side airbag for this one, or I can change and downgrade the steering wheel. I found one for about 40 quid and stick to the original one that is coming with the kit. I'm not 100% sure. Let me know in the comments what you think, and what do you think I should do. Moving on to the rear of the car, continues to be very clean, and guess what, guys? The headlights are in the back seat. That is a plus. I haven't ordered them, so I guess I don't need to. Very, very happy about that. Let's check the seat belts in the back. So that one's fine. That's fine. Check this last one if I can get over there. Yep, that's fine too. Ah, okay. So I still need to order one headlight, I've just realised. This is the passenger side headlight, and this is where the damage was, so kind of expected that. So that's broken. So it's a 1.6 petrol Audi A3, 2009 model. Well, that's it, guys. It's not too bad. It's really not too bad. So guys, as you can tell by the title, this is my new project car for my channel, and I want to do a bit of a giveaway this time. It's my first giveaway. I want to do a giveaway, and I'm going to give away a massive box of Californian Scents air fresheners for the cars. We all know they're the best air fresheners for the cars. So I want to do a giveaway on those. I've got a big multi-pack box. I'll put it down in the description below so you can have a look at what it looks like, or I might put a picture in the video. I'll see. But if you can guess how much I paid for this car, and I want you to think the most ridiculous price. You just had a look at the car. If you can guess how much I paid for it, the closest person that gets to that price, I'll ship it out. If you contact me on my Instagram, I'll ship you out a massive box of Californian Scents multi-pack, lots of different scents. You know, give one to the partner, give one to your car, give one to whoever you want to give to. So guys, for a chance to win that multi-pack of Californian Scents, best car fragrance scents that you can get for your car, just make sure that you subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below, and just guess the price, what you think I paid for this car. You just had a look at the car, you've seen the damage, 2009 Audi A3 Technique. It's a ridiculously cheap price, so just think outside the box. Let me know in the comments below, let me know what you think. The person that gets the closest to the actual price that I won the auction for, I'll announce the winner next week, and I'll send you out a personalised box of Californian Scents. Guys, we're going to end it there. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, make sure your bell notifications are on, because you won't want to miss what I've got coming up. In the next video, I'm going to tear all of this down at the front. We're going to be checking out the damage, and hopefully I'm going to have some parts in the post by then, so we can start to rebuild everything. I'll get it down to the body repair shop to get some paint, to get some lining up, and maybe get some cleaning done. If this is the kind of content that you like to see, please consider subscribing, because I'm just going to be bringing more, baby. And if you like this video today, give me a thumbs up. It would help YouTube understand that you're liking my content, and it will help push my content even more. That's what we all want. Thanks for watching this video. If you have gotten this far, thank you.